How to log into DeepSeek AI for the first time. Let's get started. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your preferred web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for DeepSeek AI. Now head over to the very first site, DeepSeek. It will land you on this official page. You can normally use it from your web browser, so tap on Start Now. Well, if you have already created your account, then what you're going to do is enter your login credential as in your email address and the password over here. After that, click on this checkbox and then tap on Login. And there you go, you have been successfully logged into your DeepSeek AI. Now you will be able to use this tool anytime you want to. You can ask any of the questions that comes up on your mind. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log into DeepSeek AI for the very first time. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.